Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Verizon account and having your My Verizon credentials ready. This saves time during sign-up. Next, make sure your phone or tablet supports Hotspot and that your current plan permits tethering, because some legacy plans need an add-on. Once done, enable mobile data and Wi-Fi on the device and have your SIM accessible. These steps let you move straight into subscription and activation without pauses, so you avoid billing surprises or incompatible hardware once you subscribe. You now log into the My Verizon app or the web portal and go to Manage Devices or Plans to add a mobile hotspot service. Choose the device you want to enable or add a dedicated mobile hotspot and select a data allowance. Pick per month or pay as you go options depending on expected usage. Make sure to review the price and taxes before you accept charges, then complete checkout. After purchase, provision the service through the portal. This step pushes settings to your device so it can broadcast a network. Finally, configure the hotspot on your device. Open Settings, find Mobile Hotspot, set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so others can't use your data. Once configured, connect a laptop or tablet to verify signal strength and run a quick speed test to confirm performance. Make sure to monitor data usage in My Verizon to avoid overages. If the hotspot fails, reboot the phone, reapply carrier settings, and only then contact Verizon support with account details for troubleshooting. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.